Welcome to TechElipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create blank lines on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. After that, open any document and then click on Insert tab. Now from here just click on Table option. Then you have to insert one table and then click on Table Design tab. Make sure that your table is selected. Then click on Borders option. From here you have to uncheck three options: top border, left border and right border. At first just uncheck top border and then click here again, then uncheck left and then click here again. At last just uncheck right border. That's it. You can see the blank line has been created successfully. Now you can type anything on the blank line, and here it is. You can also change your line color from here. Just click on borders option and then select bottom border, then click on pen color option. From here choose any color and you can see color has been changed successfully. And that is how you can create blank line on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.